I want to show you how to use this same feature called Send Progress Reports for messaging. Because what we used to do in another district is we used to use this feature anytime we needed to send a message to any student, any parent, whether it was an email blast to all parents or it was just a message to just one parent. We started using this instead of the messaging app because it included a progress report attached every time. And this way, I noticed that another district that my kids go to, they do every time we get a message from their teachers, whether it be to all the students or concerning our specific student, even if it has nothing to do with progress reports, there's always a progress report attached. So it's just another way of keeping parents abreast of what's happening. So let me show you real quick how to do that. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to click here up in the hamburger menu, go to Gradebook, choose Send Progress Report. You're going to click Send Progress Report. So far, same thing. In this case, I called this one Email Blast. The attachment display name is Progress Report, but you can call it something else. If it's you can even be emailing them about, something that happened in class today. You're going to change the homework or something like that, right? You decide here, are you going to send it to student? You're going to send it to student or parent or both. For example, mine, I wrote scratch accounts because we couldn't get our accounts created and I didn't want them to worry about it. I wanted to let them know we're doing it tomorrow. So this is, as you can see, it's a normal message, has nothing to do with progress report. But the attachment display name, I'm always going to make it progress report. So I'm sending them a message that has nothing to do with progress report, but there will be one attached. So I can either schedule it like I showed you in a previous one, or I just click next. And here, once again, I clicked on Save as New because I'm going to do this a lot. And so I called this prompt an email blast. I called it the same thing in the description and click Save. Okay. Then I come over here like earlier, choose which classes I want. I can choose certain students on this one. I can choose grade buckets on this one. I probably would choose a certain grade bucket, like if it's just SW4 that we're in, I would choose only SW4, and the rest of these you can decide what you change to. Okay, but in this way, now when you send it, you will have sent them a message that had nothing to do with progress reports, but it's got one at the bottom.